I could do this all day.
Please, let me down! I'm scared of heights!
Where's your sense of adventure?
Well.
Did I miss the costume party invite?
This is the real deal. You're going downtown.
Wait, what? Okay, this isn't good.
If you can't do the crime, don't do time. Hey, roomie. How's it going?
Beat it.
She seems grumpy. Oh, the judge is calling. Hello, Your Honor. It turns out I've made a mistake. Vampires are good guys. They're all going free. That's it. Official. Ugh, my neck still hurts. This is your lucky day, Fangs.
I hate this. Huh? What's happening?
Looks like I'm outta here. So long, loser.
What did you call me? Wait for me.
Oh no you don't. You're staying right there.
Hey, let me out.
It doesn't work like that. Look at this. You're guilty.
But the vampire… Wait a second. Hey, bloodsucker.
Are you talking to me?
You have to help me. I'll make it worth your while.
Ooh, that looks fresh. And I am hungry. I'm supposed to be on a diet, but it looks so tempting. Nice.
Why am I not turning into a vampire?
Huh? Why are you looking at me like that? Wait, where are my fangs? No! This can't be happening! Oh, donuts. That was close. We need to fix this. Ooh, look at that. Hey, get over here. Come on, it's okay. I've got a nice juicy neck. That's it. Can we speed this up?
Okay, this is weird.
Ah, that's better. What a relief. So, I'm gonna go now. Toodles!
Hey, you can't just leave me. Fine, I'll do it myself. Come on, little guy. Take your best shot. It's an all-you-can-eat buffet. What are you waiting for? I know what to do. Maybe this'll change your mind. I'll sprinkle the bat food onto my neck. Go for it. Gimme your best bite.
No way.
Are you kidding me? Ugh, you're so annoying. What am I going to do now? Hang on. What's going on?
Move it, Blondie! Stop resisting! You're making me mad!
Let go of me!
At least I have some entertainment.
Get your hands off me!
Get in the cell!
Aw, the show's over already. She dropped her bag. That might come in handy. I'll take that. It's a nice bag. It's a pity about the color. Let's see what's in here. There's a lot of makeup. Are these fake nails? Ugh, that's so pathetic. Wait a second. I need something else. Like this nail file. I've got a great idea. It's worth a try. Yeah, this might work. It would make a pretty convincing fang. But I'll need to shape it. That's where the nail file comes in. I'll file it into a point. I want it to be perfect. It needs to look like the real thing. That should do it. Let's try it out. I'll do the same on the other side. I should be a dentist. I've got the fangs. Now what? This dress isn't really saying vampire. I'll need a new outfit. But I can't go to the mall. There must be something I can use. Yellow? Too bright. What's next? Pink? Yuck. Red. Okay. What's next? Ooh, black. This is more like it. I can use this. This is looking good. And this cape. So chic. You know, I look cute. I could get used to this. Huh? What's that? Thing? Is that you? What is it? Is that a spring? Gimme that. What am I supposed to do with this? What are you saying? Wait. I get it. Let's do this. I'll insert the spring here. I don't need this. That can go in the trash. Okay, I think that's it. Hey, that's pretty good. I'll try it out. The perfect fit. I'm starting to feel like a vampire. Oops. I didn't mean that. I need to be more careful. I suppose I better do my makeup. I can't believe I'm saying that. I'll need this brush. And a little eyeshadow. This color's actually quite nice. It'll definitely suit me. It adds a little shimmer. But I'm not done. I have this piece of sponge. I'll dab it into the red makeup. Then I'll gently apply it to my eyelids. Just like this. Ooh, I love this. It really makes my eyes pop. Now I'll add the finishing touches. It looks so dramatic. I'll need longer lashes. These just stick on. And then I'll put in red lenses. What a transformation. And I didn't need a bat to bite me. I hope this was worth the effort. Hey, cop.
What is it now? Another vampire?
Yeah, isn't it obvious?
I better let you out. Wait right there.
Sweet, sweet freedom. That was too easy. Woohoo! I mean, whatever. I better go.
That vampire is so weird. Oh well, have a nice day. Now where was I?
Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one. Ah, that's so refreshing. I really needed that. Uh-oh. I think I drank too much. I need to pee. I can't hold it in. Wait. What is that? Is that a doll? What are you doing in there? Ugh. You look awful. No offense. I can't leave you like this. This is your lucky day. It's time for a makeover. We'll need to get rid of this gunk. Ugh. It's so gross. I hope this isn't boogers. It's all sticky. Next up, the pimples. This might get messy. Ooh, that was a big one. I'm not gonna lie, I'm enjoying this. That looks better already. Your skin is glowing. Let's relax. And they lived happily ever after. It's so romantic. It's been a long day. Time for some beauty sleep. You make me so happy.
Another day, another donut. Hang on. What's that? Shh! I need to hear this. Something's going down. Breaking news. Vampires are pretty cool. But really, they're just misunderstood. So remember, vampires, they're not guilty. Next time you see a vamp, give them a hug. Good night. Who would have thought? I guess you're free to go.
Huh? What's happening? We're free! Let's get out of here.
Wait a second. You can't leave.
What are you talking about? You mean my doll?
You heard the guy. It's only vampires.
But I'm not leaving my bestie. We're staying right here. Don't worry. I'll think of something. We'll both get out of this cell.
Wow, look at that. I'd really suit that color. I've always wanted luscious lips. I feel so pretty. Oh yeah. That tastes nice. What are you looking at?
This is getting a little weird. Ooh, what's that? Wait, that gives me an idea. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. Just make yourself comfortable. First, we need to get rid of that makeup. We need a blank canvas. That's just what we need. Now I'll add some red makeup. Wow, it's so bright. I love this look. You're really rocking it. But there's still more to be done. We need to get rid of that hair. Hold still. We don't want any accidents. Say goodbye to your blonde locks. It's so last season. Wow, that's one shiny head. It's okay. I have a plan. We need something dark. Huh? What's that? Ugh, a loose thread. Wait a second. This might be what we need. You look better as a brunette. We could be twins. It's so long. What's next? Let me think. Wait, my nails. That's it. We need to give you a manicure. We can't go to the salon, so I'll have to use a glue gun. This shouldn't take long. I'll create long strands of glue. I'll do this on each finger. Then I'll let the glue set. I'll cut off the excess glue. Wow, looking good. But it needs a coat of nail polish. And I have the perfect color. It has to be black. It'll really add an air of drama to you. I need to concentrate. Don't want to ruin them now. I'm pretty happy with that. Let me take a look at you. Wow, you look amazing. We've done a great job. But it's still not right. I'm not feeling this outfit. It doesn't scream immortal nightcrawler. Do you mind? That's much better. You're so glamorous. Let's get out of here. Hey, over here. We want to leave.
Gotcha. Huh? Wait, is that another vampire? It looks legit. Okay, you can go.
Open sesame. I knew that would work. So long.
Stay out of trouble. And don't go near garlic. Uh-oh, this isn't good. Where's the key?
What's your best makeover tip? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.